Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First we take a look at the headlines. Cooking gas hiked by rupees 11 per cylinder. Government raises commission to dealers. Petrol and diesel commission hike to follow. BJP slams Congress on Supreme Court's mining suspension issue, says welcoming a cruel joke by Congress. BJP demands central government's package for mining dependence. GPCC to discuss issue on Monday. Nikki demands arrest of former Mines Minister Digambar Kamath, sets deadline of 8 days. MGP criticizes NGOs for appeal in Supreme Court, says government will complete its term. Coal-laden goods train derails on Dudhsagar-Karanjol route. 3 Goa-bound trains halted at Londa. Railway starts Vasco-Londa bus service for passengers. Track repairs on war footing. I-League 2012-13 season kicks off. Dempo Sports Club overcome Churchill Brothers in opening encounter. New signing Ruiji Soka scores a brace for defending champions. And Sporting Club in serious problems going into new I-League season. Skipper Keita and Ogba Kalu ruled out with injury. Duo doubtful to start against East Bengal on Sunday. And now the news in detail. Cooking gas has been hiked by rupees 11.42 per cylinder following the government's decision to raise commission paid to the dealers. Petrol and diesel prices too may go up marginally as the oil ministry considers raising dealers' commission by at least 23 paisa and 10 paisa a litre respectively.
The ministry on Friday issued orders raising commission paid to LPG dealers from rupees 25.83 paise per 14.2 kg cylinders to rupees 37.25 paise. Government officials said the 44% or rupees 11.42 paise per cylinder increase in the commission on the subsidized cooking fuel is being passed on to consumers, they said. Officials said the commission paid on market price or non-subsidized LPG 2 has been raised by rupees 12.17 paise to rupees 38 per cylinder. Accordingly, a non-subsidized LPG cylinder price will go up from rupees 883.5 to rupees 921.5. A similar exercise is on to raise commission paid to petrol pump dealers on sale of petrol and diesel. The ministry is proposing to raise commission paid on petrol by 23 paise to 1.72 and that on diesel by 10 paise to rupees 1.1 a litre. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
BJP has slammed Congress on Supreme Court's mining suspension order issue. BJP spokesperson Wilfred Mesquita lashed out at Congress, saying welcoming SC's order is a cruel joke by Congress. The party has also demanded a special compensation package for the mining dependents while blaming the Congress for the mess. Meanwhile, sources from Pradesh Congress informed that the issue will be discussed at the GPCC meet on Monday.
Suspending the environmental clearances, which in other words, it means that all the clearances given by the union government and her department were illegal. I want to ask a question to the Congress party. Is it not because of them the mining in Goa has been labeled as illegal? And then you support ban on mining. In fact, I feel this is a cruel joke being played by the Congress on the people of Goa. The Bharatiya Janata Party is aware of its role. BJP will ensure that its government, on its part, does everything possible at its command to expedite the case now pending before the highest court of the country. I demand on behalf of my party that the central government should take responsibility for the greedy decisions taken by the Congress government in Goa in the past, and therefore formulate a financial package to rehabilitate the weaker sections among those affected by the halt of mining activity in Goa, at least till the mining activity resumes.
GVP Supremo Mickey Pacheco has urged CM Parekar to arrest former Mines Minister Digambar Kamath within 8 days, alleging Kamath is responsible for illegal mining in the state. Mickey says government should initiate arrests and criminal proceedings so that records and evidences are not manipulated or destroyed. On the other side, MGP has criticized NGOs for mining crisis. However, MGP President Deepak Dhawlikar says government will last its full term. There is no threat.
मायनिंग बेगिनात बेगीन सुरू जावचें असो एकमुखी ठराव ह्या पक्षाच्या बैठकीत घेतलो गेलो आणि त्या खातीर जे कोण सुप्रीम कोर्टान गेल्या तांकां आमी आव्हान करता की त्यांनी गोंयच्या सरकारा बरोबर बसचें सुप्रीम कोर्टाक वचचे पेक्षा आनी हांगा तोडगो काडचो. एक आपलो स्वार्थ म्हणून कोण तरी सुप्रीम कोर्टान गेलो. आमी ह्या आजच्या पक्षाच्या बैठकीत त्याचो निशेध केला कित्याक गोंयच्या भवितव्याक लागून त्याच्या फाटल्यान विरोधक आसतलेच. लोकांच्यो अडचणी पळोवच्यो हांव म्हणना चुकीचो पूण वचचें न्ही तांणी म्हणून तांणी फाटीं घेवपाक जाता तो केस कित्याक घेवपाक जायना. तो सगळ्या एनजीओनी सरकाराक साथ दिवची. जे कोण कल्प्रीट इलिगल मायनिंग आहा तांकां बाबा कशे तरेन तांकां बूक करचें, तांचेर कसल्यो केस फायल करच्यो, कशें तांकां पनिशमेंट करचो. इलिगलाचेर लोक ना, इल्लीगल मायनिंगाचेर राजकारणी डिपेंड आहा. तेन्नाचे मुख्यमंत्री बाब दिगंबर कामत हांकां खुर्ची वयल्यान बेगिनात बेगीन देंवोवपा खातीर तांच्याच काँग्रेसाच्याच मंत्र्यांच्या आमदारांनी मुद्दाम दिल्लीत पावर लावन हें कमिशन हांगा हाडलें आनी बेगिनात बेगीन ती खुरी खाची करून स्वता कोणाक तरी मेळपाक जाय म्हणून प्रयत्न केले पूण ते प्रयत्न फॉल गेले. तेजे नंतर रोखडें इलेक्शन डिक्लेअर जालें आनी ते आज आमी भोगता बेश्टे. आनी हे सरकार 5 वर्सां निश्चित चलतलें.
आज ही परिस्थिती गोंयची दर एकलो मनीस जियेता 40% मायनिंगा जियेतालो. आज ह्या लोकांचेर अन्याय जाला. हितून दिगंबरान स्टेटा वाट लायल्या त्या बद्दल दिगंबरा पयलीं अरेस्ट करपाक जाता. त्या फाटल्यान जे एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर आशिल्ले ते भितर आहा, फॉरेस्ट मिनिस्टर आशिल्ले ते भितर आहा, ते सगळे अरेस्ट करपाक जाता. हांव आनीक 7 दीस पासून रावतलो आनी मागीर खंय त्या धाडपाचें हांव धाडयतलो.
Coal-laden goods train got derailed between Dudhsagar-Londa route on Friday night. 5 bogies tumbled off the railway tracks. Following incident, 3 Goa-bound trains from different stations had to be halted at Londa. The Goa Express passengers were carried through bus service to their destinations. There are special buses carrying Goa Express passengers from Vasco to Londa. Railway track has been damaged in the incident and the repair work is on war footing.
This incident occurred on Friday night at around 9. Coal-laden goods train got derailed at Dudhsagar-Londa route. The goods train was laden with coal. 5 bogies of the train went off the track.
Passengers of outgoing Goa Express and Yeshwanthpur Express and Amravati Express also will be transshipped from Vasco and Vadgaon stations to Londa. And from there the train will start its normal journey.
3 Goa-bound trains had to be halted at Londa station. All the passengers were transported through buses to their respective destinations. Track has been damaged in the incident. Almost 45 buses were called to carry the passengers.
So the damages has to be attended, and so a number of railway staff are on the job now. Railway officers are on the site. All are doing their best to restore the normal traffic.
A goods train with 60 consignments had also been halted. Reporter Suren Madkaikar for Prudent.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.